This is the home screen of Torah software. Click here to continue. Click linear programming. If you are going to type the problem very first time, click enter the new problem, or if the input data is already available in the computer, you select the second choice, that is select an existing file. And this box tells you about how you want the input and output to be displayed with how many decimal places. By default it has 5 numeric and 2 decimal places. You can go with this and click input screen. Go to input screen. It is asking you the problem title. I am just typing LPP. Number of variables. In the problem there are 2 variables and there are 2 constraints, and click enter. It is asking you the variable names. They are x1, x2. Then it is asking the subjective equation. Maximize z is equal to 6x1 plus 8x2. Subjective equations. First equation is 5x1 plus 10x2 less than or equal to 60. I am typing that here. 5, 10 less than or equal to 60. Just press enter after typing the numbers. 4 less than or equal to 40. That's all. And come to solve menu. Do you want to save the data? If you want to save the input data, click yes, otherwise click no. Solve the problem. All of you know that in linear programming there are 2 methods, graphical method and algebraic method. If you want the answer in graphical method, you click this and click go to output screen. This is the problem we typed. Maximize z is equal to 6x1 plus 8x2 subject to 5x1 plus 10x2 less than or equal to 60, 4x1 plus 4x2 less than or equal to 40. Initially we typed decimal place 2, so we are getting 2 zeros after the decimal point. If you have given decimal places 0, means this 0.00 will not come. That's all. Now this is the graph sheet. We are going to plot the graph. In x-axis you have x1, in y-axis you have x2. Click here to get the answer. Click here. You are getting the answer. You got the answer. This is the optimum solution. The software found that the x1 value is 8, x2 is 2.0. If you substitute these 2 values in this equation, you will get 64. The same is illustrated in the graph. You see, this is x1, the value is 8, x2, the value is 2. This is the optimum solution. This is graphical method. If you want to solve the problem using the iterative method, again solve menu, solve problem, algebraic. All of you know that we have to do some iterations. If you want to see all the iterative tables, you click here. If you want only the final answer, you click here. I would say I want to see all the tables. You come here and click all slack starting solution and click output screen. This is the first screen. You know that -6 is x1, x2 is -8. The values 5x1, 10x2 less than or equal to 60, 4x1, 4x2 less than or equal to 40. These 2 are the variables. x3, x4 are dummy variables. This is first iteration. Next iteration, click here. This is pivot row. this is pivot column, this is pivot table. This is iteration number 2. We got the answer like this. Again click next iteration. Third iteration, we got the optimum solution. Click OK. Just to come down. This is iteration 3 table. We got the answer. X1 is 8, X2 is 2. The solution is 64. That's all.